So, I've got a 2012 KLX 250, and I noticed the fan hasn't kicked on, which maybe it's not gotten hot enough, but maybe I need to replace the switch. I wanted to install a manual switch for the fan, so I'll show you what I did. I'm just gonna Velcro it right onto the frame there. So I tapped the hot wire, which was blue, with the T-tap. Show you, this is the kit, but just put your wire in there, crimp it down, and then these plugs go right into it, right in there. So I did that and ran that to a pull on the switch with just some of those things. What are these things? I used just 14 gauge auto wire, and then I ran another one going to the positive terminal. I put in one of these inline fuses and just did a nasty job of buttoning them together. And that's just liquid tape that I've used just to cover the seals a little bit. Alright. I did it this way so that you want to make sure you turn it off or it'll drain your battery, but I did it this way so that I could leave it on for a minute or so after taking it up on the hills, getting out on the trails if I want to get off and let it cool down for a bit. It hasn't really overheated, but it's definitely gotten hot enough. I can notice it on my leg. Yeah, I'll put it all together and show you how it looks there. Right on, so that's it, folks. Put it on my left side so I can just reach down and kick it on. Kinda right by the choke, so it's in a familiar place. I mean, you could mount this on your fairing or wherever, but that's it. And all this stuff's pretty easy to remove and patch up if it were to become a problem. Let's see if it's warm enough to start up. It needs a little chunky. I'm pleased with it. There's other ways to do it. You can tap into your thermal switch, ground line, and do like a grounded circuit so that it would only turn on when your bike's on, but I like this option, and the fan's noticeable enough to not just leave it on. So with it off,